how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon getting grayed out on your iPhone. Now this is what it should look like. Now the Wi-Fi button should be grayed out and crossed, and if it looks like that, I'll teach you guys how to fix it. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is check if your Wi-Fi is, on. So if you cannot turn it on, just open your airplane mode and turn it off. After you turn on and turn off your airplane mode, just try your Wi-Fi again. And if your Wi-Fi still does not work, what you can do is you can go to your settings, go to general, scroll down till you see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings. After you reset all settings, try your Wi-Fi again. But if it still does not work, you might want to restart your iPhone. Now to restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button. And when the Apple logo appears, release this side button. And your iPhone will force restart and your Wi-Fi should be working just fine. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.